I want to sell products on Amazon and Walmart like everyone else, but I don't have a system to help me manage all aspects. The fulfillment time is way too slow, and it's easy to receive customer complaints or refund requests. I'm a warehouse owner, but I don't exactly know my inventory status. No matter if you're running your own warehouse or online business, you are still relying on multiple systems to keep your operation in-house, but hard to efficiently scale up. Our best SaaS is your ultimate solution for all your fulfillment needs. Have multiple warehouse locations? No problem. Best SaaS solution optimizes the management of operation with location-based process rules for all your warehouse needs. Your warehouse manager in each warehouse can define zone-based rules, fixed and dynamic picking location, and clear location capacity. Get real visibility into inventory status across warehouse with ease. Looking for a solution to organize your operation process? Based on your preferred criteria, create most efficient routes through the warehouse for your daily operations. With easy to configure inbound put-away algorithm, Best SaaS solution enables clients to optimize processes based on various requirements, including location, batches, lot, or any other factors to increase operation efficiency. Smart picking process with wave tasks for different types of orders. Additionally, system can have the option to apply first in, first out, first expire, first out, or cross-docking inventory management rules. Ready to connect multi-channel integration? Best SaaS solution can seek all your online sales channels for you, integrated with all major e-commerce platforms and marketplaces. Looking for a comprehensive solution to empower your online business? Best ERP, just the right one for you. Intelligent analysis of sales, gross profit, advertising, and inventory data. Saying goodbye to manual statistics. Automated email alert for customer feedback, reviews, and order process error from channels like Amazon. In this way, you can take action quickly when needed. If a buyer is unhappy, you'll know right away. Built-in integrations are designed to sync transactions in real time. Your business is always ready, and even during the busiest time like Black Friday. Based on historical sales performance and forecasting to auto-adjust which products need to be reordered and when replenish should be scheduled. Never again have cash tied up in excess inventory or lose sale due to insufficient stock. Advanced financial planning and forecasting of any potential financial impact when adding a new expense or new product. No more guessing for your quarterly and yearly planning. Cloud-based SaaS solutions connect clients seamlessly to avoid local installation and gain total visibility and control. No matter if you have 10 or 1,000 SKUs, fulfilling 100 orders a day or 10,000, Best SaaS solution is all-in-one technology suite to power your fulfillment facilities. Why choose us? As one of the top 500 private enterprises, our company was listed on NYSE in 2017. 15 years of SaaS and 3PL industry experience lead to the industry-leading SaaS provider. Hundreds of well-known brands are using our SaaS solution to greatly improve their operational efficiency, reduce costs, and increase profit. We provide multiple SaaS plans to meet the needs of enterprises of different sizes and needs. Compared with traditional providers who can only provide 2 to 3 plans, our SaaS plans are more flexible, more in line with customer needs. You won't waste money on expensive plans that don't work for you. Our team will help you find the best SaaS plans for your business. Thank you for watching. I am Henry, Operation Manager of Best Inc., signing off.